2023, I saw many black birds flying over the sky. And after 1 week, I saw eagle swooping down. And I heard this means judgment. Sometimes back, there are black birds which have been seen or were seen in the State House, Kenya State House. This means judgment. There is judgment of God coming.